Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to connect the bKash personal payment gateway with paymentform.io. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Payment Gateway Settings. From the left sidebar, click on the Payment Gateway option. Here, you will find all the payment gateways currently supported by paymentform.io. Step 2. Select bKash Personal Payment Gateway. From the list of available payment gateways, find bKash. Then, click the Connect Now button. Step 3. Enter connection details. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for this connection. Next, enter the phone number associated with your bKash account. If you would like to add multiple phone numbers, simply click the Add Another Phone Number button. Next, write your payment guidelines here. Step 4. Connect your bKash personal account. After entering all the required information, click the Connect button. Once the setup is completed successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Your bKash personal account is now successfully connected to paymentform.io and ready to accept payments through your payment forms. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.